Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable read receipts on Airbnb. Airbnb messages can show when you've read a conversation, which some users prefer to keep private. If you want more control over your messaging privacy, disabling read receipts is the best option. So first of all, in order to do that, open the Airbnb app on your device or visit airbnb.com and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, find the profile icon, which should be located at the bottom right corner on your app and in the top right corner in your website. After you're inside your profile section, tap on Account Settings. Now, after opening up Account Settings, tap on Privacy. You'll then be able to see the Read Receipts option at the top. Simply toggle it off. Once it turns gray like this, you'll then be able to turn off read receipts in Airbnb platform. Disabling read receipts also means you won't see read status from others. Hosts and guests may still see delivery status, not read status. Other users will no longer see when you've read their messages on Airbnb from now onwards. You can always toggle on this option whenever needed by getting to the same privacy option and tapping on the toggle menu right under read receipts. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.